So I thought I'd take a little video of the unboxing of my new video card, MSI N220 GT graphics card with DirectX 10.1. I know it's not 11, it's not the newest video card in the world, but I got a deal on it. And my computer is pretty good as it is, so it should run the games I want to run just fine off this new video card without any trouble at all. So, let's see here. Just a second. The first unboxing of the new card. And there it is. MSI N220 GT with a little fan and all the little good cool stuff. Got the HDMI and the DVI and the regular outputs, so I could run up to 3 monitors at the same time off this video card. I'm going to get ready to put it in my good old HP 6703 here. Hopefully this will turn up the power enough that I can play my games finally. So I'll take another video when I get it back together. We'll see how she works. Maybe I'll take a video when I get it apart just to show you guys that I'm stupid enough to gut my $500 brand new computer and put another part in it. So yeah, I'll show you how dumb I can be. Just watch. I suppose it's not going to hurt anything to take a video of me being stupid and actually working on it. So here, I might as well do just that. I mean, I work on cars every day, working on their computer system without any issues, so I would hope I can just snap a part in this computer and hook it back up and find the drivers and it'll work. If I can't, I'll admit I'm an idiot and I'll take it to a computer guy and let him fix it. But I think I can do it, so we're going to give her a shot. Take this cover off the back first. Guess I could stop being lazy and go out and find a screwdriver. You'd think I'd have a screwdriver around here somewhere since I fix cars, but I sure can't find one at the moment. Yeah, there's a screwdriver right there. That'll do. Trying not to make this a how not to fix a computer video, if I can help it. Maybe I can actually pull this off without screwing it up. That'd be pretty sweet. Alright, so we got her open now. Got her opened up. Take a peek here. Turn the light on behind me so I get a little light on the subject. Alright, there she is. There's the computer opened up with its guts hanging out. See that empty slot? Right? Oh, you can't because there's no light. Stupid light. That's not helping very much. Really not going to help that break it. There. You see a little better in there. And lean it back. And when you take your computer, take it apart. Don't drop it. That wouldn't help. There's a slot in there. You put it in. Alright, simple enough. Okay, so I got it open now. Turn it around here a bit so you can see. Once you open it up inside, there's an empty slot right there. That long black thing. You take out one of these little jobs in the back, and then you snap your card into that slot, and then all you really got to do is either put the disk in to upload the software, or what I'm going to do, since my software for my card is about a year old, I was suggested by my local computer guy that I go online and find the drivers and software through NVIDIA.com, so I'm going to do that after I get this put in, and we'll see how she looks on the big fancy big screen on my desk then. So here we go, putting her in. So there we go, I got the new video card all installed. As you can see, it's right here in this slot. There's my HDMI port, which I did not have before, and I can this is a DVI here, which I can run this adapter to run another HDMI, so I can get another monitor and run 2 different HDMIs at the same time off of this. Plus it's got a regular monitor VGA plug, so you can put a regular monitor on it too. So that's pretty slick. I just hope that this lets me play my video games, because that's what this is all about. It's being able to run the graphics to play a video game. You get the extra gigabyte of RAM, which takes whatever I was using with my original integrated video card and puts it back into my normal processor speed, and then this here has its own memory. So this should make the computer a lot better. So we'll see. I mean, it's a 4-core hot rod as it is, but this video card should enhance it considerably. So here we go. I'm going to try her out.